Hello everybody, Lucas Purton here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Pickaway, Ohio. Today I'm going to highlight a new arrival to the lot, stock number CP17324T. It's a 2022 Toyota Sienna VMI side entry mobility van. This is also all-wheel drive hybrid as well, bright white in color. It's got push button ignition, power sliding doors, adaptive cruise, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and a rear backup camera. Got privacy glass all around, nice body moldings down low. This has the VMI North Star side entry mobility conversion package on it. Round back, you got your backup camera. See the all-wheel drive badging. And you also got the hybrid as well. Plenty of storage space in here. You got power sliding doors and easy remote operation here, so you hold down the door. And then once that's out, you have simple operation of the ramp. You have a simple in-out key fob. Hold down the out. The ramp's going to deploy. And then once inside, you can wheel in the wheelchair. You get your Q-string tie-down systems. You see the tracks here you can tie them into. They're in the box there. You get 3-seat bench in the rear. It has a little step for you to rest your feet on as well. You also have the sliding door over on the passenger side, or the driver's side rather. And something cool about this van that's different than a lot of minivans, mobility minivans, the driver and the passenger seat you can pull out and lock in your wheelchair up there, and you can drive from your wheelchair, or you can sit in the passenger seat in the passenger seat in your wheelchair. And both of those chairs are interchangeable, so if you're on a road trip and the driver and the passenger want to switch, you can switch, you know, lock the wheelchair down over on the other side and swap the seat out with the driver and passenger. Up front, you got a large touchscreen radio, easy operation on the shifter. You got your adaptive cruise and all your settings on your steering wheel, Bluetooth controls, power mirrors, windows and locks. You got a USB charging port, power outlets down low. Again, we're looking at stock number CP17324T. I'm Lucas Purton. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Pickaway, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, or give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thanks for watching.